welcome back to another edition to Doug Doing Demos. I just thought I'd pop on. I'm making some ribs and something nice for lunch here. We got these shrimp on the Barbie. These things cook fast. If you want something fast for lunch, man, these are only 2.5 minutes per side. They're almost done. So simple. This is the ribs I'm doing the 3-2-1 method, and it's coming up on almost 3 hours in, so then I gotta wrap them. That's when you put your butter, apple juice, brown sugar, and I think I'm gonna try to do some honey too. And you wrap it, and I'm gonna do them for 2.5 hours wrapped I'm gonna jack the temperature up to about from 200, I'm gonna jack it up to about 250 wrapped. Then I'm gonna unwrap them for the last hour. I'm gonna unwrap them and put I got some Sweet Baby Ray's honey barbecue. I'm gonna brush them with that, and for the last hour I'm gonna leave the temp at about 250 or a little bit higher maybe, and just to dry up that barbecue sauce a little bit, so and finish cooking them. So that's the 3-2-1 method. I'm using kind of going by the heygrillhey recipe. I got some fantastic recipes. Look them up, itch.com. And but here's, I'll give you a peek at the ribs. I don't like opening this door that much, but it's almost at the end of that first 3 hours right here. Oh, see, they're a little bit dry. So what I'm gonna do, I got a little thing of apple juice, and I'm just gonna drizzle it on here. Not a lot. I'm not gonna soak it, just drizzling, and that's gonna keep the humidity up, and it's gonna keep the ribs from drying out, and that's about it. I'm gonna close this up again. I'm gonna open this up to get the fire up, but don't go by this. I go by my inkbirb. Should be going up again. It's going up. I like it between the first 3 hours. I like to keep it about 180 to around 200. These are bigger ribs, so I'm trying for closer to 200, because these are regular spare ribs. They're not baby backs. The baby backs I like to keep lower temperature, 180 for the first 3 hours. But yeah, it's coming along good. Oh, my shrimp's done. So until next time, out.